trying to break this. I want to show you what I've been doing. Yeah, hold on. That don't work. I got this thing. Steel bar. That don't normally work either. I just do this. It's the loudest thing in the block.
Matthew, we get it! We get it.
That thing.
Is that thing sharp now?
I don't know, but it's red hot. And it smells like it too. It smells like it's about to catch on fire.